I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the files you'll compress. Check resolution and format so you know the target quality. Once done, open the app and import images from a folder or your gallery. Choose batch mode if you have multiple files. Make sure to grant storage or photo permissions so the app can read and write. You're doing this now to avoid interruptions and to set expectations for final size and quality before you change any settings. Now you pick the resize and compression parameters. You can set an absolute width and height or a percent scale. Choose one depending on your output needs. Then adjust the compression quality. Lower reduces file size but affects detail, while higher preserves clarity. If necessary, convert formats, for example hike to JPEG, to improve compatibility. Use the preview feature to compare before and after images so you avoid surprises. When satisfied, confirm batch settings and continue to processing. You finish by exporting the processed images to your chosen folder and deciding whether to overwrite originals or create new file names. Once exported, verify a sample file for final file size, sharpness, and that metadata is preserved if you need it. If images look too soft or too large, rerun with a slightly higher or lower quality setting. If the app stalls or exports fail, clear its cache, restart the app, and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.